Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the product is right for the surface and weather. That matters because wet and forget needs time to work without rain washing it away. Put on gloves and eye protection and fill a pump sprayer to the recommended concentration. Once done, test a small, inconspicuous area to confirm no discoloration. Next, apply even, overlapping passes. Do not scrub. Make sure to work in calm wind to avoid drift and to cover all problem spots thoroughly. Once the first coat is down, focus on thorough, consistent coverage. Divide the surface into lanes and spray with 2 to 3 overlapping passes so no strip is missed. You do not rinse. The product relies on rain and humidity to carry active ingredients into the growth, so make sure no washing happens for 24 to 48 hours. For dense or older stains, reapply after 1 to 2 weeks in trouble spots. Also, treat shaded and north-facing areas carefully. You finish by monitoring results over the next 2 to 6 weeks. Wet and forget acts gradually, so fading may be slow but steady as weather cycles do the work. If you see little change, make sure you applied evenly, use the correct dilution, and that rain or moisture occurred to activate the formula. If things go wrong, streaks or no effect, lightly brush stubborn areas and reapply rather than immediately power washing, because aggressive cleaning can remove the product before it works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.